Thank you for joining us today to discuss reflections of you in 2022. Cultivate what matters. Brought to you by Prescriptive Health Solutions. As we come to the end of the year, it's always a useful exercise to take some time to review all its events. Reflecting on what happened during this past year, what you accomplished, and what could have been done better will bring closure to the year and will also provide the space for valuable learning. It's also a good idea to take some time to review the past before thinking about the year ahead. Progress happens when we pause to reflect. You will make better decisions about how to use your time and energy in the year ahead when you look back at where you've been. When you stop to celebrate big and small wins, you'll gain motivation to keep moving forward. What happened during the year? Take a moment to take stock of the year and list everything that happened during the last 12 months, including accomplishments as well as events that weren't necessarily positive yet shaped you. What did you learn from these events? Take a moment to review what worked and, most importantly, what didn't work. Also acknowledge how you grew and how you handled the events of the past year differently than you have before. What or who are you most grateful for right now? What person or people helped influence decisions or actions you've made? Also, what is not working for you right now? Are there patterns, relationships, or activities that have outgrown their usefulness? The transition from the prior year to the new year is an excellent time to release things that were maybe good for you in the past, but no longer relevant. And lastly, what advice would you give yourself if you could go back a year in time? Set your goals. The next step is to visualize the future and set your goals for the following year. Where do you see yourself by the end of the year? Look ahead to the end of 2023. Where do you want to be? What have you accomplished? The future may not just include achievements such as buying a home or getting a promotion. The future you envision can also contain enhanced character traits such as being kinder, or even lifestyle changes like spending more time doing fun activities with family. So as you begin to plan, separate your goals into categories: personal, work, health, and community. You may find that you're setting too many goals in one given class and not giving enough attention to another one. By putting these in categories, it will help you create a more balanced future. When setting your goals, make sure they're measurable and attainable. Even if an intention is to be kinder or more spontaneous, how would that look? The goal could be to do one small, even invisible, act of kindness a day. It can be that simple. A key component is then making sure these milestones and actions are present in your everyday schedule or planner. Find the method that works best for you. A tactic that has worked for many is setting quarterly or even monthly reminders throughout the year that prompt you to review your goals and see how you're doing. Also set reminders for the different actions you define for yourself. This helps ensure you are working on the goals during the year. Making a plan ensures that you will reach your goals. Work backward from the result and see what actions you need to take to get there. Divide the year into quarters and months, and if necessary, define what milestones need to be accomplished at different points of the year. Deadlines make you more accountable, and it will make it more likely for you to reach all of your goals. Do more of what matters and let go of the rest. Best of luck on your year in review and planning for the year ahead. May you find a year full of exploration, discoveries, and growth.